Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to reveal the items that I've got from Coach Summer Sale, and I have several items right here, and let me start with this one at the bottom. Okay, so based on the box, this one, I guess you guys are all familiar what this is. So anyway, let me show you the first item. And obviously it is in a shoebox, and I've got the platform flip-flops, and as soon as I saw this, oh, I fell in love with it. I have to have it. So this one is made up of a combination of the rubber, the leather, and this one is made up of denim material. Very nice. I love it. And I think this one is actually, I think it's priced as $125 and it's on sale for $75 US. That's before tax. My only concern is this part right here, not the footbed. The footbed is actually very soft and comfortable. This part right here, and this one is made up of leather, and I saw one that's made up of plastic. And I'm a little bit concerned that this part would start to dig in between my foot. So I think this is pretty. Love it. And if you're wearing denim jeans, this would go perfectly. The platform is perfect. It is very, very comfortable, and I cannot wait to use this. And this one also available in different colors. They have it in black, white, and pink as well. And I pick this lovely denim in here. Okay, so yeah. So this is the first one. The second one is also a shoes. Oh, let me just show you the product information of the platform sandals. And just in case if you wanted it, and I'm also gonna put the link below right at the description right here. And then moving on to the next item, and wow, as soon as I saw this, oh my gosh, I keep saying the word fell in love. I easily get carried away for some reason. So anyway, let me show you this beauty right here. I think this is stunning. This is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty that is. So, wow. This is the Mary Jane flat in crystal. And it is made up of a jacquard material right here. And I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the crystal collection. The jacquard is actually, yeah, it is the same as the purse. And wow, look at how gorgeous she is. Look at that. It's so shiny, it's shimmery. If you are into shimmer and love comfortable shoe, this is perfect for you. Oh my gosh. And this one also is in a size 8, and it does fits perfectly. This one is true to size right here. So the interior is actually lined with leather right here. The insole is leather as well. And then we also have this beautiful detailed right here at the piping. Look at that. The combination of the jacquard, the crystal, and also this leather right here is gorgeous. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. And then we also have, look at those T-rows right there. Nice detailed. Very pretty. This is so pretty. Let me get the other one. Oh my gosh, I can't get over. As soon as I saw this one, okay, I have to have it. Look at that. And this one is priced as $195 US dollars before tax. And for that, you got the shimmer. It's beautiful. And on top of that, it is very comfortable. Right here, oh my gosh, she is so pretty. And let me just show you the product information right here, just in case if you are interested. It is $195 in this burnish amber color. It's so pretty. This is a must-have. And I'm also checking if they have any other style as well. But this one, to me, this one is the winner. Next item I have here, this is part of the Coach Originals. And it is the Cherry Hampton Hobo Bag. And I got this for around $195 US dollars before tax, and I have been eyeing this for a long time, and I said I don't think this will sell out. I mean, the print is so pretty, it is beautiful, and I said maybe I should wait for this to go on sale. And then I said maybe not. And then later I said, oh, maybe. I mean, it's not the end of the world if I missed it, but I would love to have it. And then finally it went on sale, and this one is priced as $325 US dollars. I got it $495, and definitely a great deal. So as you guys can see, it still has those protective packaging. And I love when I received something that all the packaging were still intact. So yeah, this is how it looks. I guess you guys probably, if you're a Coach lover, definitely this is a must-have. And I love the combination of this red color in here, the cherry, and then the white background. And the only thing that I wish that they could have done this, like if they could have done this differently, is the stem for the cherries. I was hoping that this one is green, but regardless, it is pretty. So we have the smooth leather in here, the gloved leather, and then I love those minimal logos in here. Coach, very nice. Oh gosh, look at that. I noticed there's only one logo. Very lovely. And then this one is the shoulder strap, and like I said, I think I have actually seen this on the website Dillard's. I also saw this on Macy's, and also in the Coach website as well. So over here, and then yeah, everything on this are still intact, and the interior looks so delicious with this beautiful leather lining. And guys, wow, this is definitely for $195. It's worth it. We have, this one is crafted with leather, all leather inside and out, and that's why what I love so much about it, and definitely it's a must-have. So anyway, yeah, this is the latest addition to my Coach collection. She is stunning. It's perfect for summer. We still have plenty of time to use this for summer. Wow. And also, there are quite a few. I'm not sure yet. There's also a cargo bag that I've been eyeing, the little ones, and maybe I'll get that one sooner. But this one is, gosh, this is definitely like a no-brainer question whether I wanted to get it or not. It's because look at the craftsmanship. Look how stunning she is. She is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this is the product code right here, or you could just Google it and it'll show you all the stores or the website that has it. Definitely, this is a must have. And the cherry print collection, the Coach Originals, are definitely a must have. So I have here, well, I can't wait to wear this on my birthday. And then this shoe right here. Right here. Oh my gosh, I can't get over of how gorgeous this is. Look at that. And then the platform. This one's really nice if you go to the beach or just, you could wear it however you want it. But it has some weight, but regardless, it is pretty. So definitely, definitely, how many inches this is? Yeah, I think almost 3.5. So mind you, I am 5'7", so definitely, I would definitely look taller in this. So yeah, this is so pretty. So anyway, these are the items that I've got for the Coach summer sale, and there is a lot. There is a lot of them on the website. I don't know when it's going to be the last day for the sale, but if you're eyeing something for a while, so you better get it before they sold out or before the sale ends. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.